This is just a short video to show my Talaria XXX with some slight modifications. Bags are off Amazon. I think they fit the bike quite nicely. Allows you to carry a little bit of something. The wrap I did myself. That is from Elite Choice Graphics. And the color is Chameleon Hex Light Desert. I've got the Kaniwaba pedals on it, and they work quite nicely. Yes, there's an actual chain in there. And the pedals do clear the side stand. About the only thing I don't like about the Kaniwaba kit, I guess if I had the dirt tires and the larger wheels, it would be fine, but it does stand awfully upright. I think the stand's a little bit too tall for this. But yeah, there you have it. That's my XXX. Hope you enjoyed it.